Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. Take your time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly, these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck in the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow it from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, this actually picked up an uptrend right from this support zone, this particular support zone, and of course it got to this resistance zone. You can see, you will also notice that it also got there around here, and of course it played around there for a while. So it has gotten there around here. This time around it was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there. It is most likely for it to be trying out this support zone, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, and of course it's going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity right there, right from there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. We can see the right flag, and of course it kept on selling until it got to this support zone, and after getting to this support zone, it went back on a buy trend, and it is still buying at the moment, but we need it to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out above that resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 actually started a downtrend, and of course got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, so it started a buy trend right from there. We got the blue arrow from here, and of course the uptrend flag from here, and of course it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. So this is crash 500. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it has gotten to this support zone. It has not been able to break out below it, so it started a buy trend right from there, and of course it is still buying. So we should take note of that. That is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So next asset is going to be crash. Okay, sorry, let's check. Okay, volatility 75. Okay, next asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 actually went on downtrend right from this resistance zone, got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, and of course it started an uptrend right from there. The movement has not been that smooth, but it is more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so it's so till it got to this region. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will buy again, and of course it will follow that pattern. Okay, it's going to follow this pattern if it's unable to break out from here, so it will go back up and try to touch this line again. Okay, but if it does not break, if it breaks out below this, then definitely it will sell till it get to this support zone. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so these are all the assets that we are we have been able to review tonight, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.